Good morning. Myself Ashagila Devi, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about this subject CS 8792 Cryptography and Network Security. In this subject, in Unit 4, we have the topic hash function. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about hash function. So what is the outcome is, on successful completion of this module, the student should be able to explain the concept of hash function. So what is a hash function? Hash function is nothing but it's a message digest. A message digest is a digital signature of the original document. See in this diagram, consider we have a message or a data block. We can represent that as capital M, which has the length capital L. We are going to apply hash function for that, so that you'll get a hash value small h. So you can represent that as small h is equal to capital H of M, where small h is the hash value or the message digest, capital H is the hash function, capital M is the message block. Next we are going to see the difference between hashing and encryption. So first, what is encryption? Encryption is a process of converting the plain text into a ciphertext. So encryption is done by using any one of the encryption algorithm by using any key. Either you can use symmetric keys or asymmetric keys. What is decryption? It is a reverse process of encryption where the ciphertext is converted into the plain text. So here also we are going to use the same algorithm which we have applied for encryption, and then you can use the key. Either you can use the same key if it is symmetric, you can use a different key if it is asymmetric. And what is decryption, what is hash function is, so when you are giving a data block, when if you apply any one of the hash algorithm, you will generate the message digest. So what is the difference between encryption and hashing is, in encryption decryption is possible, but in hashing dehashing is not possible. Next, what is the main objective of this hashing is, its integrity. How it achieves integrity is, consider we are having a current document. For that document you have to find out the hash function, so that it will give you the current message digest. You have to compare that message digest with the previous message digest. If both are equal, means we can say the particular message is not altered during the transmission. So this is how we can achieve, or we can check the integrity of the document. And the hash function will give confidentiality and authentication. That is, by using encryption, with the help of encryption and hash function, how we are achieving confidentiality and authentication is explained in this diagram. So for the message, first you have to find out the hash function, combine the message and hash function, encrypt that with the key k, so that the encrypted message consists of the message as well as the hash function. Then that is given to the receiver side. In the receiver side, we are going to perform decryption. So first you have to decrypt the message, so that you will get the message as well as the message digest H of M. For the message, you have to find out the hash function once again, compare the computed hash function as well as the given hash function from the center. If both are equal, means we can say that is a correct value, or the message which is sent from the correct center, so that it achieves both confidentiality and authentication. And without encryption, that is unencrypted authentication, how we can achieve is, for the message, first you have to apply hash function, then apply encryption for the hash function. The encrypted hash function is combined with the message. So now in the receiver side, we got the message as well as the encrypted hash function. Decrypt the hash and find out the hash value for the original message. Then check both the decrypted hash value as well as the original message hash value. If both are equal, means we can say it achieves authentication. Next, we are going to see some of the popular hash functions. First one is the message digest. This MD5 is a very popular algorithm. It's a 128-bit hash function. It is adapted by Internet Standard RFC 1321, and it comprises of the following family of hash functions, that is MD2, MD4, MD5 and MD6. So it is mostly used in software world, for it provides better integrity for the transferring of files. Next is secure hash function SHA. The family of SHA function consists of SHA-0, SHA-1, SHA-2 and SHA-3. SHA-1 is the mostly used SHA algorithm, that is, it's a very famous SHA algorithm and it's employed in several widely used applications. And next is RIP-EMD. It is an acronym of Arrays Integrity Primitive Evaluation Message Digest. So this set of hash function which is designed by the open research community. And the last one is the Whirlpool algorithm, which gives you 512 bits of hash function. It is derived from the modified version of Advanced Encryption Standard AES. And what are the major applications of hash function? There are two direct applications of hash function based on its cryptographic principles. First one is it is mainly used for password storage, and the next is for checking the data integrity. Thank you.